Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by choosing the simplest legal path, a cleared license or a YouTube-approved source. If you have a license, pull the invoice and license text now so you can prove permission. If you choose YouTube Audio Library, download the exact file and note attribution requirements. Once you have the file and documentation, create the short with placeholder audio. That lets you test timing and cuts before committing the licensed track. You now integrate the track and clear rights inside YouTube. Upload the draft as private, then add the licensed file or choose the library track. This prevents accidental claims while testing. Make sure to enter license details into the video description exactly: title, artist, license holder, and any required link or credit. If your license limits duration or territory, trim the track and verify region settings so you remain compliant. Once everything matches the license, publish your short and monitor Content ID for automated claims. If a claim appears, you can immediately submit your license evidence through YouTube's dispute flow. Explain why your use is permitted and attach the invoice or license PDF. Make sure to have a fallback plan, an instrumental or cleared replacement, so you can quickly swap audio if the dispute fails. If playback or mute issues occur, recheck region.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.